channel messages for the... It is the 19th of October. Virgo, let's go ahead and go into your reading. Oh, channel message, Virgo. Virgo, I'm getting telepathy. Getting there's something you're developing. Or I'm getting something about a lot of doctors and scientists are going to be in a room studying you from a baby monitor. And basically, them going to have either fucking Ouija board or like a seal. I'm getting somebody a test if you telepathy. Now this could be twins. Alright, it could be twins. You know, twins usually have a natural thing, telepathy. But me not talk about telepathy as in you split. Me not talk about like the, no offense Caucasian people, me not talk about those type of studies where you split two twins in a two room and see if they make the same decisions with that bullshit. Me getting one twin can say something in their brain and the other twin can say it out loud and they're not in the same room. They may not even be in the same country. Somebody might not even be twins. It could be a strong bond you have with one of your siblings. So usually when siblings come in threes, two have a stronger bond. When them come in twos, they must separate sometimes. Sometimes they must stay together, they must separate. Fives, two will have a bond. Three will have a bond together. It always will go 3-2 with the fives. With the six, sometimes it go 4-2. Because when you have 6 kids, the personality traits are going to start get different. One of them are very reserved. One of them are going to be very picky. One of them just... I'm gonna be very, her standards are very high. Mommy, yes, terrible sandwich. Thanks for letting me know, right? The one, because when you have them at different times, yeah, even women will tell you when they're pregnant, them craving they change with different babies. They must say with these babies, like I remember my little sister, Christina, I remember my mother would always say, when she's pregnant, she used to eat coconut water and donut. And she would have sent we go blood clot Captain's Bakery. We'd have to go Captain's Bakery, and then because of we and my friends, we have to walk past blood clot Winard Road, past Bellevue, past Camperdown, go straight up to what them name? I don't even remember the wholesale we used to do there. Clough, a Clough wholesale. I remember if a Clough, right? And we have to stop at Clough wholesale, go buy coconut water. And I remember one time she sent us there, and because we are little kids, we not get through with the donut fast, because we are big adults there, because they want fast, warm donuts. And the fucking donuts run out. And we went back home and tell her, and that woman was like, you better don't come back in the house with our pregnant belly. You better don't come back. You know what? Me, pregnancy, me. When I better... Christina, this is Christina. When better don't come back in the house and listen. When I eat off the donut, dirty fuck. When I eat it off, when I know someone have the craving with a baby and when I buy the donut, she accused us of theft. Donuts, Brody, what the fuck is this? Yeah, so that's why different kids at different stages. Also with time, when they get more experience as a mother, what the first child could not get away with, you see the last child, Brody, they're a criminal. And mom's like, you're doing great, sweetie. You're doing great. Meanwhile, you do this and spill over a little tea. Your mother give you some fuck lick. Me say you're clumsy. The last child is getting away with everything. Anyways, yeah, so I'm getting something about telepathy. I don't know if this is telepathy with a relationship. You and your girlfriend want to have telepathy powers. I don't know if this is your brother, your sister, your girlfriend, your mom. Ooh. And ooh. I got cut off, Virgo. Anyways, resuming your reading, Virgo. Okay, so yeah, I'm getting something about telepathy. You and a family member have a very strong telepathy together. You and your mom, your dad, your sister, your brother. Or maybe it's you and a specific sibling, okay? Again, it could be lovers. I'm getting the Lovers card, Gemini. All right, so let's go ahead and see what's in your reading. Virgo, yeah, Virgo. The posture up for Virgo. We have the Chariot and the King of Wands coming out first, Virgo. So I'm getting a police officer. I'm getting a Cancer. Are you graduating? I'm getting someone's graduating. You're officially a police officer. It could be military, army. You're officially there. Alright, so I'm getting congratulations. We have a Chariot. So I'm getting something about... I'm getting now you need to choose whether you want to be the passenger and your team member drive, or you want to drive and the person who they pair you with is going to be a passenger. Okay, that's the only next choice you have to make. But I'm getting, yeah. No, this could be also Virgo the police. I'm getting something about when you guys discharge police officers. Diversity. Because the chariot is a black horse and a white horse. So I'm getting something about not maybe to certain calls, you're not discharging same races of police officers. You mix the races, okay? So for example, if you're dealing with a criminal, maybe a black police officer could tell certain things, pick it up better. Maybe if you're dealing with somebody else and is a white police officer, the black person will be like, yeah, she's getting aggravated, agitated, and the white police officer will be like, no, she just needs cigarettes. You know, so I'm getting something about it's good to have two different ones, but I'm getting a graduating. I'm getting a Leo, Aries, Sagittarius, Virgo. It's the bottle. The bottle popped at 3 a.m. We have the Page of Cups. All right. We also have the Emperor. I'm getting like father, like son. Was your father a police officer? Whatever your father was doing, I'm getting you're doing it now. I'm getting it's important to you to keep up the tradition your father did. We have the Moon card. The Moon card behind the Emperor can also talk about your father. I mean, son, I understand that you wanted to be a rapper. But before you were born, before I did get this contract, me did have to sign over you. So I'm getting, regardless of what you thought it'd be in life, maybe it took a while for you because you wanted to do other things. And maybe your dad was keep telling you, no, I'm tired of this, grandfather. Well, that's too damn bad. Somebody keep telling you no. But I'm getting you got redirected now. I'm getting you join whatever force this is. Could be the Canadian Air Forces. What kind of force this is, I'm getting you pass. You graduate, Virgo? No, if it's something about telepathy, I'm getting military. Police officer will use MK Ultra on your blood clots. What if it's telepathy? I'm getting higher. Maybe it started off with some type of police thing, and then the police transfer it over to the military. And maybe now NASA has it. If NASA don't have it, SpaceX have it. The Chariot is clarified by the Page of Wands. All right, so I'm getting young, something about young rookie cop or rookie police officer. We have the Queen of Pentacles. Clarify the Knight of Wands. Okay, we're getting something about brothers. One is a police officer, one is not. I don't know if your brother asks you for stalk him, girlfriend. Getting your brother is some. I don't know, whatever your brother does something and you're asking your brother if he can stalk this girl for you. We have the Four of Cups. Your brother said no. Mercy said no. We have the Two of Pentacles because you're juggling and yeah. Your brother said me not gonna start this girl for you when you fucking other women. It's not morally correct, bro. See, bro, if she was the only one you wanted, I coulda see where I coulda, you know, rewire some shit for you. But you want me for stalk her, get my intelligence service in a problem, and you fuck other girl anyways. You don't even like her that much. Maybe your brother likes her. The Moon card is clarified by, yeah, is your brother Leo? I'm getting a Leo. Yeah, maybe your brother like her. Or your brother was watching this girl, but while him watch the girl, I'm getting him fall in love with the girl. And I'm getting, maybe you're married. I'm getting he's a married man or he's a married woman already. Something about you're married to somebody. I'm getting, I don't know if this is another woman you with and you're highly, highly obsessed with. But I'm getting your brother say no. Because you don't like her anyways. Like, you have other woman. Make them distract you. I'm getting your brother likes her. Let's change decks and go around one more time. Virgo. Hi, Virgo. Hi, Virgo. So I'm getting you're overseeing this. Are you the grand overseer? We have the Moon card. We have Virgo and we have double moon. I'm getting you and a Pisces. Or you're bringing two people together. So I'm getting, okay, so I'm getting Virgo. You're bringing two people together. I'm also getting Virgo. I'm getting telepathy, Virgo. You can telepathy with somebody. We have the Moon card here 2 times. We have the 7 of Cups, we have the Queen of Wands, and we also have the Knight of Cups. Okay, me getting one person abilities can come out when them drink. The other person does not need. Me getting one person have to drink, one person can be sober. And then, because me getting, you know, me getting a I feel like the government experiment with a lot of... This is not misgovernmental information, YouTube technicians. Good morning, Mr. Mohan. Me feel like... Alright, you are gonna tell me, say, you feel like telepathy not real. You feel like two people can communicate without saying anything. You feel like that, no. You just say, you believe in our wigs. And Fashion Nova. And acrylic nails. You don't believe in that two people can communicate with each other from distances. You don't think that's possible? You ever hear people say, somebody ever call you and you say, oh my God, I was just about to call you, you ran on my mind. Wouldn't that be telepathy? No, when you're talking about high military CIA intelligence, when they must study you now, I feel like a lot of people break and thought it was schizophrenia. And those are the ones them wean out. Especially if you're a tarot reader, you'll hear tarot readers talk about being clairaudient. What that mean? That mean you hear, you get messages, but it come in an audience form. It come in an audio form. You'll actually hear it. Now, especially with doctors would say, listen, because you see me, I don't question nothing for this world, Virgo. Virgo, you're the ghost. Some people don't believe in ghosts, some people do. Some people don't believe in possession, some people do. Virgo, I'm not question nothing right now, right? But see, then take my fucking MK Ultra take my fucking memory just a while ago. That's why I don't go live, you know. Okay, them give me it back. Thank you so much, Church of Scientology. Me feel like the one them who they end up get really paranoid, schizophrenic, and had to run to a doctor to get medicated. Them wean out those ones and look for the other military soldier them want. But again, tarot readers will say clairaudient. No, again, thank you, because I'm giving back my memory. Yeah, to me as a doctor, they will ask you, when you hear voices, whose voice you hear? You're hearing somebody else's voice, or you hear yours? Or is the voice tone and pitch changing? Also, what the voice I tell you to do? It I tell you to hurt yourself? It I tell you to hurt others? Or it's telling you, it I tell you information and you can't put the pieces together. But you know, like a puzzle piece, it just tell you, it just say a word to you. It will say cologne. And you don't know what that means, but you hear it. And then later on in the day, there's something about, I buy one expensive cologne. Why did I hear that earlier? I hear all of these. I hear tea, I hear coffee, I hear all of these things every single day. But this morning, I hear this specific word. So that's how it usually develops. You'll hear words. Then it will go into sentences. Then it will just give a name. It will be very specific. Again, medical practitioners will say, this is schizophrenia. I would be more safe around somebody telling me that they're hearing voices telling them what to do and where to go than he tell me you're hearing voices that I tell you to kill other people. But me getting a telepathy, something about telepathy. And if you're unsure about what I'm saying, please talk to your general practitioner to see if you're telepathic or maybe schizophrenic. This message was not sponsored by Health Canada. Let's go and continue reading. Yeah, so I don't know, I'm hearing you recognize something. I'm getting in order for something for work, telepathy for be there. No, maybe I try to make two girls telepathic. I'm getting is a man and a woman, the divine masculine and the divine feminine energy. That would serve as a bit, it could be brothers and sisters. One guy, one girl, divine masculine, divine feminine. I don't know, Virgo. I feel like I got some messages from the unknown. I'm getting it help you for graduate something. So, congratulations, Virgo. Or I'm getting something about you gotta test out something. Use a new test happening. You're getting to watch somebody and you're gonna do things and see if the person hear it, see if the person say it. I'm getting a really test. Is this bitch really? Is she? This bitch can't even say water properly, and you telling me this bitch telepathic? We have sleep. Yeah, I get messages in your sleep. Or I'm getting astral projection, Virgo. You know, for astral project, I'm getting your whole dream set up is a stage, Virgo. We have Molosh, child sacrifice and demands for human offerings. So hopefully no children was harmed in the making of this. We have magic. We have Bible. And we have Illuminati. I'm going to leave it here, Virgo. Until next time, bye.